Okay, I'm gonna try this unboxing again. So, the last time I tried to do an unboxing with my GoPro, silly old me, forgot to turn on the GoPro. So now, let's try it again. I've ensured that the camera is turned on. So let's do the new unboxing for my wife's Royale from Mobot. Okay. It was a real bummer that I didn't manage to do the unboxing, but this time around I'm determined to do it with you guys watching. So let's see. Okay. Let me just... I hope they'll turn out okay. Okay. Let me just... I bought these utility knives from Milwaukee, not from Singapore. Got it from Amazon. Very nice to use. If I need to replace the blades, I just press this. I could just pull these blades out, and then to replace, I'll just push them back in, and then it locks into place just like that. Love it. Okay, and like before, yeah, it's so satisfying doing the unboxing. Yeah. All right. Oh, my wife is gonna like this. So when Mr. Lai mentioned to me that pink was available, I told him to get me one. And the best part about this pink is that it's actually iridescent. So really cool color. I think girls will really dig this color. So nice. Yeah, slightly iridescent. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, first time unboxing the 9-speed Royale from Mobot. And that's all there is to it. Let's see, is there anything else? Okay, there was one pedal there, so there's one pedal here. I'm assuming the other pedal is attached. Yep, the other pedal is attached. Okay, let me just put this away and start assembling the Royale. Okay, gonna remove this from the box. Unboxing with a proper utility knife is so important. All right. Alright, again, this is the 9-speed Camp Royale. Let's attach the pedals on. One thing to note, pedals, whenever you screw them in, it's counterclockwise. So, because when you start pedaling, it's the other way around. Alright, let me just get, there should be a size 15 or size 13. Or is it a 14? Can't really be sure, but let's try. Yeah, it's a size 15. Okay. That's in tight. Okay. Remember guys, wrench size 15 mm. All right. All right, good to go. Good to go. Except that I don't have the seat attached as yet. Okay. Let's attach the seats on. Before I do that, again, the Camp Royale. Now let's do the seats. Well, this time around is so much faster. Somewhere in the middle. I will not secure the seat too tightly because most of the time I will ask, or at least double confirm. If you're installing the bike for someone else, it's always good to just double confirm with them if the seat is, the position of the seat, do they want it more forward or do they want it a bit more backwards. So time to remove this. And I'm gonna just very quickly adjust the placement of the brakes. This is perfect. This probably needs to be a little bit lower. Good, very good. That's done. Let's go for a test ride. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Changing the gears is just pushing it left, or right. Straightforward enough. Awesome, man. Let's do a fold. Let's do a fold. Boom. That's it. Okay. Folding it back up. Notice that the joints are a little bit tight when it's brand new. It's okay, over time it would just you just run in the fold and the fold would just be perfect. Alright, so this one again, let's see if it has the same feature as the rest of the other Royale models. You can see that you have no obstruction. It's pretty much a standard feature on all the Royale models by Mobot. And that, my friends, is the Royale in pink by Mobot in all its glory. Alright. Now the only things that you would probably need are like front and rear lights, and then you're good to go. Don't forget your front and your rear lights. I highly recommend the cat eye ones. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of today's unboxing. Take note, with today's episode, I am actually giving you guys 2 coupon codes that you can use until the 15th of October. Let me just run through the codes with you guys. You're getting, I've got 2 coupon codes. It's going to be in the description box below. We have one which is the JL10, and another one is the JL12. All right, this to represent 10 and 12%. So for the 6-speed Royale and the 6-speed carbon Royals, it's 10% and 12%. 12% would be on the carbon models. And then there is also for the Dragon and the Dragon Carbon, the Royale Dragon. Again, 10% for the regular model and 12% for the carbon models. Alright, so these coupon codes are good till the 15th of October. Place your orders online, use them, let me know what you think, and hope to see you guys on the Puck Connector soon. This is going to be my wife's bike. See you guys soon. Bye.